for consuming item in the DQ. Like for example, we are going to remove and return the item from the right side. When we want to remove and return item from the right side, what we will do, DQ dot pop function we will use. Remove the item from the right. From the right it had added, I have given, this was the list. It was basically the list. The right side was filled with G. At the end of the list, at the right side of the list was G. So whenever you will just do that dq.pop, this dot pop function, not pop left or anything. So what it will do, it will by default go to the end of the list, right side of the list, and it will remove you the item. But we can give left function, left removal, like it is X and it is the left side of the list. So what we will do, we will do dq dot pop left. What it have done, it have removed X, and when we will print the list, we will print, so G and X should be missing from the list. Starting X, not this one X I am talking about. So X is similarly missing, G is missing because we have we have removed the items, we have returned the items. Now we can also use the rotate method. Rotate method, why? To move and rotate all the items of the list to the right for positive values. Like in integer, let's say we are saying just here. What it will do, just first see the output, then we will discuss about this. We are saying that dq.rotate2. What does this mean? This means that rotate all the items to the 2 steps to the right. What does it mean? It means that each item, like it is a Y, it will move 2 steps right side from. Like Y will move here, Z will move here. It will rotate. Now what happened? We have at the end, we have F, right? Now it will rotate the item, like each item 2 steps forward, 2 steps in the right direction. This was the right direction of our list. So it means that Y will move here, then Y will move here, then X will move here. Like this, F will automatically, the list has been rotated. This list was generated because it has been rotated. It has been rotated 2 steps from their position to the right side. Not to the left, to the right side it has been moved. This means that Y should be here somewhere, A should be here somewhere, E should become at the start by the rotation. It was by the rotation. You can give it a rotation 3. When you will give it rotation 3, just run it, and then you have to do it, so automatically it will change, because now it will move 3 steps from the right. So similarly, we can rotate it in the left direction as well. Like it has rotated the items to the right. But left, what does left direction mean? Like we want list we have defined. Just we have to do dq dot rotate. Function will be the same. Just the sign will come -2. -2 will move the items 2 steps away from their left side. Like these items will move here. These items are moving here in positive to the right and in negative to the left. Just run it and then print the dq, so it will give you a different value from the above one, because now the rotation was from the left. -2 mean 2 steps from the away from the left. Then similarly, We can also use the rotate and pop method to delete selected items we have used. Now we want to delete. We can also use a very simple way to return a slice of DQ, like now we will discuss with the example. If we have DQ, like in above we have DQ, this is just DQ. Then we are saying that what to do. We are saying that list first let's see the example, then you will understand. We are going to, it was simple that I have given here DQ 300. What does it mean? That 0, 1, 2 and 3 to 8, 8 is somewhere here. So 3 to 8, it will give you the list. It will remove other all. 3 means 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Till B, it will give you a list. So I have used the function here of slice, but I don't know why it's giving an error. There is an error in this. List was the right itertools dot slice. There is no mistake, but it's giving us a mistake. Like we are saying that we have used this itertools. What does it mean? It means that it will do the it will work in the same way that this type, like in the list, how we were slicing the items. So it is also slicing the items in the method in the DQ. Now we are saying that it's giving an some optional error. Like we will check later on that why it's giving error in this. There may be a spelling mistake or any import mistake. We will discuss it later on. Now we are going to discuss about the further methods in the DQ. Like we are saying that we can also use maximum length parameters. Like maximum length, why we are using maximum length will be giving you the maximum length. If we want to do maximum length, then we can also use maximum length optional parameter, and it will restrict the size of the DQ. Then we can also make it data structure, that is circular buffer. What circular buffer is doing? It is also fixing the size, and we can use that in DQ as well. Now it was the basic functionality of the DQ function. Like maximum length we can use, like DQ we have, and with maximum length we have. Then we can also use the circular buffer. Circular buffer is also doing the fixed size structure and effectively connected end to end, and they are also typically used for buffering data streams.